Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best RockJam 61 is probably one of the most accessible and feature-rich 61-key keyboard pianos available for aspiring musicians and hobbyists, offering a fantastic blend of portability, learning tools, and sound options that make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their musical journey or expand their creative horizons without breaking the bank. Number 5. Alesis Melody 61 MKII Keyboard Piano. Introducing the Alesis Melody 61 MKII, the perfect all-in-one digital piano for beginners. Its portable design and 61 full-size keys with built-in speakers make it ideal for practicing and performing anywhere. Dive into a world of sound with 300 built-in voices, including pianos, strings, organs, and synths. Enhance your playing with intuitive dual and split modes to create unique musical textures. Master your skills with 40 demo songs and 300 rhythms. The convenient record feature allows you to capture your musical creations and listen back to your progress. Accelerate your learning with powerful educational features. Enjoy interactive online piano lessons and live video instruction to guide you every step of the way. This package includes everything you need: a keyboard stand, adjustable bench, headphones for private practice, a microphone for singing along, and a sheet music stand. The included sheet music stand is designed to hold your sheet music or tablet, making it easy to follow along with lessons or your favorite tunes while you play. What we like. This keyboard is a fantastic all-in-one package for absolute beginners. It comes with everything you need to get started, including accessories and a subscription to online lessons. If you are looking for a comprehensive starter kit that provides structured learning, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The keyboard has a variety of sounds and rhythms, making it versatile for different music genres. It comes with a built-in stand and a microphone, which are convenient additions for practice and performance. The keys are full-sized and responsive, providing a good playing experience for beginners. Number 4. Best Choice Products 61-Key Portable Electronic Keyboard. Discover a fun and easy way to learn piano. Our intelligent teaching modes guide you step by step, making it simple for beginners to pick up. Explore a vast library of sounds and rhythms. With 255 timbres and 255 rhythms, you can create unique melodies and accompany yourself perfectly. This ultimate bundle includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a stand, bench, headphones, and more, making it a perfect gift. Perform like a pro with built-in speakers and headphone support. Find your perfect sound and recreate classic music pieces with ease. Plug in the included microphone and sing along to your favorite songs. You can even play along to music stored on a USB drive. This portable keyboard is designed for aspiring musicians of all ages. It's the ideal present for birthdays or holidays, offering endless musical possibilities. What we like. This option offers unique intelligent teaching modes to guide new players. It also provides a vast array of sounds and rhythms for creative exploration. If you are a novice musician who wants guided learning with plenty of sonic options, this keyboard is a great fit. What people say. The keyboard has a full-size 61-key design, which is great for learning and practicing. It comes with a built-in stand, a power adapter, and a music rest, making it a complete package for beginners. The keyboard offers a variety of sounds and rhythms, allowing for creative exploration. Number 3. RockJam RJ5061 61-Key Keyboard Piano Kit. This is a complete 61-key keyboard piano kit, perfect for beginners. It includes a stand, bench, headphones, and note stickers to get you started right away. Enhance your playing experience with a pitch bend wheel and an LED panel. It offers a wide variety of 200 rhythms, 200 tones, and demo songs to explore. Learn to play faster and more effectively with included Simply Piano lessons and helpful keynote stickers. These guides will assist both kids and adults, teaching them note by note. Enjoy private practice sessions with the included headphones. This feature is ideal for shared living spaces and family rooms, allowing you to play without disturbing others. This all-inclusive set means you can start playing on day one. You won't need to make many extra purchases, making it a convenient choice for aspiring musicians. What we like. This keyboard is designed to get you playing right away with its complete beginner set. The inclusion of a pitch bend will add an expressive element to your playing. If you're a beginner who wants a straightforward kit with a few extra expressive tools to start making music, this is a solid option. What people say. The keyboard has a variety of sounds and rhythms, making it versatile for different music genres. It comes with a stand, a bench, headphones, and a dust cover, offering a complete package for beginners. The 61 keys provide a full-sized playing experience, suitable for learning and practicing. Number 2. Best Choice Product 61-Key Electronic Keyboard Piano Set. This is a full-sized electronic keyboard with 61 keys. It offers a wide range of sounds, rhythms, and demo songs to explore. This ultimate bundle includes everything needed to start playing, like a stand, bench, and music stand. It's a fantastic gift for anyone interested in music. Learn to play with 3 engaging teaching modes: 1 key, follow, and ensemble. The lighted keys, LCD screen, and included note stickers make learning easy and fun. Enjoy high-quality sound with built-in speakers or headphones. You can also use the rhythm programmer and music player to find your perfect sound and recreate classic tunes. Expand your musical creativity by connecting a USB drive. Play along to your favorite songs or add your own melodies and rhythms to background music. This instrument is designed for beginners, featuring lighted keys and a recorder with playback. It helps you learn to read music and express yourself musically. What we like. This keyboard stands out with its light-up keys, which are a fun and effective way to learn. The USB port allows for playing along with your favorite tracks. If you are a beginner who enjoys visual learning aids and wants to play along with backing music, this keyboard is a great choice. What people say. The keyboard has a variety of sounds and rhythms to choose from, making it versatile for different music genres. It comes with a stand, a bench, and headphones, offering a complete package for beginners. The learning features, such as the built-in lessons and the ability to connect to educational apps, are great for new players. Number 1. SANMERSEN 61-Key Kids Piano Keyboard. Discover a world of musical possibilities with 8 instrument tones, 5 rhythms, and 6 demo songs. It also features fun animal and percussion sounds, plus recording and playback to share their creations. Designed for little hands, this keyboard is easy to use and helps develop essential skills like hand-eye coordination and an early understanding of music. It's a fun way to boost creativity and cognitive growth. Made from high-quality, non-toxic, and eco-friendly plastic, it's built to last and completely safe for children aged 3 and up. Its compact size makes it easy to handle and store. Take the music anywhere. This portable keyboard can be powered by USB or batteries, making it perfect for use at home, in the car, or while traveling. Just power it on and play. Looking for a gift that's both fun and educational? This keyboard is a fantastic choice for birthdays or holidays. Watch their confidence and creativity soar as they make their own music. What we like. This keyboard is specifically designed for young children, offering a playful and engaging introduction to music. It includes fun animal sounds and is built to be durable and portable for on-the-go fun. If you're looking for a safe, engaging, and easy-to-use musical toy for a child aged 3 to 12, this is an ideal gift. What people say. It has a lot of different sounds and rhythms. The keyboard is very easy to use and set up. It comes with a stand, a bench, and headphones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.